Hello everyone. Today the interesting topic is mitochondria. As you know that mitochondria is a powerhouse of a cell. So let us see the mitochondrial structure. Mitochondria is an oval shaped structure composed of double membrane. Some cases it is also in a dumbbell shaped. The size is near about 1 into 3 micrometer. The size is varies from species to species, as well as the structure is varies from species to species. The number of mitochondria is also varies from species to species. In human beings, even a different body cells have different number of mitochondria. The mitochondrial structure divided into membrane of mitochondria, cristae, genetic material, matrix, and ATPase. So let us see the structure of mitochondria. When we see under electronic microscope, the mitochondria look like in this way. The membrane is round through all over the body. I have one more image to clarify the structure of mitochondria. This. So this is a three-dimensional structure of mitochondria where structure divided into different parts. As I mentioned earlier, the outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer membrane and inner membrane both have different permeability. Apart from these, there is a space which is present in between outer membrane of a mitochondria and inner membrane of a mitochondria. A matrix ATP synthase or ATPase, the genetic material, some granules, and the mitochondrial outer membrane is composed of subproteins called porins proteins. These porins proteins make mitochondrial outer membrane is permeable to every molecules, whereas the mitochondrial inner membrane is selectively permeable. Move to our slide. So mitochondrial membrane divided into outer and inner membrane. Outer membrane is permeable to all molecules and ions. Inner membrane is selectively permeable, and inner membrane fold to form a special structure called cristae. In between these membrane, a space is called intermembrane space, as I mentioned in image. Mitochondria divide by the fission type of asexual reproduction. Please note that there is no any kinds of mitosis or meiosis process occurs in mitochondria. The number of mitochondria varies from cell to cell in case of human beings, as I mentioned earlier. Cristae is an folding of inner membrane and contains F1 particle. This F1 particle is also called ATP synthase. Cristae occupy large area in mitochondria. The genetic material of mitochondria is called as mtDNA. MT stands for mitochondrial DNA. The mitochondrial DNA is a circular stranded, double stranded type, and it does not contains any introns, that is non-coding sequences. Matrix is a semi-solid watery fluid contain different enzymes for cycles of it is a key function of synthesis of ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate. The function of mitochondria, it synthesizes ATP, beta oxidation of fatty acid, TCA cycles, etc. In prokaryotics, mitochondria does not have like bacteria, so that the plasma membrane of prokaryotic is synthesized ATP. Thank you. Let us see the image again. As I mentioned, this ATP synthase, which is have capacity to synthesize ATP molecules. It also contains ribosomes, its own ribosomes. Look at this. This is a genetic material which is present in mitochondria. Okay. So please clear the concept about the mitochondria. Thank you.